see if he can weather this storm. Papa Shango connects this time when he charges. Resounding boos. Imagine he's used to that.
I would imagine so. Very much so, in fact. And he has a powerful whale with him in the ring. He just hurled that huge 400-pound monster into the turnbuckle.
Typhoon continues to struggle, but I would say he's a long way from out.
Well, we have seen this stamina that he possesses come into play before, but I doubt it now. That was so superbly accomplished.
Moving in here for a cover. The Typhoon still has a lot left. See if he can hang on.
Well, it's a wonder he does, Sean, because he's taken a shellacking these last few minutes here.
Reversed by Typhoon. He's waiting for Papa Shango, but Mysterious Superstar quickly sidesteps him. He has a sleeper hold on, and very dangerous situation for Typhoon. He's a long way from the ropes.
He is indeed. Now, is that firmly locked in there, Sean?
I can't quite see it. Maybe we'll get a closer shot. You have connection to the cameraman. Talk to him.
Well, I think it's our number 4 cameraman. If he can come round to the side, that's better. There you go.
Oh, you really do have pull. And I would say that is cinched in quite well.
Indeed it is. And look at Typhoon. He's struggling now. He's weakening.
Just hanging on. Referee Dave Hebner moving in. And folks, when he starts to lift the arm, if he gets a count of 3, it's going to be all over. Papa Shango, sensing victory, holds on tight. That's 2. One more and it's over. Is it? No. Where did he get the strength? I thought it was all over.
But it certainly provoked the ire of Papa Shango. Shango a little desperate now. He didn't need to do that.
Stiff clothesline, and another takes Papa Shango right over the top rope. Oh, my.
And as he came over, Sean, he hit that iron apron there, the steel apron, very heavily indeed.
You talk about firing back. A few minutes ago, we thought Typhoon was out of this match. And now, Papa Shango has collected. Oh, what happened? That medicine stick, or whatever he calls it, flame shooting out. And I think a few of them caught Typhoon in the face.
It certainly looked that way, Sean, and now he's belaboring him with that heavy medicine stick there.
And I think we were all well aware of the fact that given the opportunity in a desperate situation, Papa Shango would use any tactic, and he certainly did. Side suplex, drops Typhoon.
Sean,
Back of his head. Did you hear a bell?
I was going to say to you, I thought I heard a bell, did I not?
Well, nonetheless, this match continues, and Dave Hebner still trying to gain control here.
Well, he is fighting, but I don't think he can do that. Remember, he's a very tiny man in the ring there with these huge monsters.
I can't believe Papa Shango was not disqualified. And a great power slam there by Typhoon.
I think Typhoon's under the impression there hasn't been a bell. Perhaps he thought they were just bells ringing in his head.
Well, I don't think it made any difference to Typhoon.
Here is your winner by disqualification, Typhoon!
Boy, this is one situation we will long remember. Papa Shango loses this matchup against Typhoon.